Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Today we are trying out Puppy Town. Apparently we can win real life money off of Puppy Town. Get ready for this. This is going to be interesting. I wonder if this is going to be legit, dude. You can tell on my face, I don't think this is going to be legit. But we'll see. I mean, I'm judging off the reviews of other players, and people are saying that this may be a fun app. But, does it pay real life money? Up for the discussion, okay? Here we go. Unlock new puppy, win $1.52. Claim. Okay? Just claimed $1.52, baby. That's alright. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, we got our PayPal rewards straight off the bat here, guys. Here we go. 100 USD, 150 USD. Beautiful. I don't have any of those coins right now. I only have $1.52. So, Puppy Shop is now open. Upgrade level quickly to get rewards. Okay, let's do it. Buy. Just purchased a puppy. Here's the prize center. Ooh, la la. Look at this, everyone. Look at all the prizes we can win. You're not winning those prizes, everyone. Don't fool yourself. Come on, man. Come on, dude. Just, no. No. Let's go. Complete task to win more Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus puzzles. No, quit. Okay, here we go. We're back, everyone. We're back. Let's merge these doggos together. Ooh, $1.60. Thanks. Achievement. Collect one level 3 puppy. Okay, no worries. Daily login, $140 cash. Thank you. So, I can watch an ad to get a free dog, or I can wait 10 seconds to get a dog. How do I speed that up? By tapping on it. Right, so I can tap on it, and I'll get a free dog. Oh, get kennel. Get. Oh, you have to watch an ad. Alrighty, we're back here again. We have another kennel now. That's good, so we can grow our little dog farm. Let's make all that real-life money, everyone. Win those real-life rewards. So we're at $1.71 right now. In total, I'm on $4.83. So that's pretty solid. I'm happy with that. Let me just keep spamming here to grow those doggos. There we go. Done. Let's keep merging these all together. 4 to 5. No, we don't have any other 4s. We have a 3, 4, and 5. $1.98 reward. Yeah! Man, what a situation this is going to be. Legit. What an app. I just... Oh, it's a... Oh, I got a chihuahua. Upgrade to level 5. Watch an ad. No thanks. See, this is the problem, everyone. This is where people say the game kind of, like, limits you, if that makes sense, okay? It really wants you to watch those ads. Things start to get harder eventually, trust me. So right now, it's easy street, okay? But apparently it does get much more difficult. Merge 20 puppies. Nice. I got $5,000 cash right now. I have $6.81 cash in total. There's a free raffle here. Let's check out the raffle. MacBook Pro 13-inch. Get it. Or get the free code. Watch a video ad. There you go. No thanks. Couldn't care less about that. That's not going to be real. Let's be real here. All these puzzle pieces to earn the real prizes. Legitimately, I've seen this on another app as well, everyone. I swear these developers just copy and paste. Like, I swear they copy and paste the layouts of their apps and just change the names a bit, change the graphics a bit, and then they re-upload them to the Play Store. I mean, it's very smart, very legitimately smart business move. It's not against the terms of service of Google to do stuff like this, guys. You have to remember that. Google actually endorses stuff like this, which is pretty crazy, because you'll see that they allow the advertisements to pop up on your phone, you know what I mean? It's a crazy situation we're on right now. Puppy Town is just another one of these apps that try and milk the player to watch advertisements. Like, watch, there you go. I knew that was going to happen. I knew, as soon as I clicked it, dude, I knew it was going to be an ad. So we'll be back in a second again. Alright, we're back here. 50% chance of gift box. Lasts 120 seconds. Nice. Oh, look at that. I have another kennel, everyone. Cool. The game's rewarding me now for watching that ad. That's what I like to see, when the game rewards you for watching advertisements. That's what everyone wants, guys. That's just a fun game. That's a fun app to play. That's what you want. Trust me, man. Trust me. Seriously, dude. What a life I live here. Spamming. Done. Task again. Reward 3.4k. Watch a video. Got 9,000 cash. What can I even do with this cash right now? I can buy dogs straight out with the cash, it looks like. Okay. Watch an ad for 2 huskies. I'm assuming they're huskies. I'm not going to watch an ad app. I don't care what you tell me to do. I'm not watching an app. Funny enough, I still haven't got a puzzle piece for the free items yet, so I still haven't got the gifts, everyone. How interesting is that, eh? They're not going to give the free iPhone to me, or the free, you know, MacBook Pro. Okay, I got a new puppy there. Claim. So now I have $9.60 right now. We're inching our way towards $10 here. Something called Auto Merge is on the right side there, apparently. Auto Merge. Auto Merge. Watch an ad and get 3 minutes of auto merge. I mean, that could be okay, I guess, if you don't, like, if you're lazy. Literally. That's okay. Let me just start merging everything together here. There we go. Let's merge these little doggos together. Done. I have one level 7 dog right now. I'm just going to buy these level 2 dogs with the cash. I'm assuming that's all I can do with the cash right now, everyone. There we go. Done. Let me just keep leveling them up. Done, done, done. Done. Excellent. There we go. There's another ad. I'm not going to watch that, though. Let's click on the shop. What's the shop going to give us? Buy. Chihuahua. There we go. Let's do that. Oh, you have to watch an ad to unlock the next level of dog. Of course. We'll be back in a second again. Alright, there we go, everyone. I can now actually purchase proper doggos, which is good. That's what I want to do. Let's merge all these doggos together here. Still I haven't got anything good. Like, literally, I've been playing for about nearly 10 minutes now, and I haven't got anything decent, which is pretty sad to me. I'm so tempted to turn on auto merge. That's why they want you to watch video ads, dude. Auto merge, because now I know why. Once you grow your little puppy farm, look how much stuff you have to do. Look at this. Look at this. I was saying before you're going to be lazy, but now I understand why you'd have auto merge, dude. Who the hell can be bothered? It's not about being lazy. I take that back completely. Who can be bothered merging all those dogs together? Seriously, they're very smart developers. You're very, very smart. Oh my, it changed to an ad. I just turned on auto merge then. I am not sitting through that ever again. Now I know why people are, like, literally need auto merge. As I said earlier, I take it back completely, everyone. Auto merge is the only way to play this app. Legitimately, okay? I'm wasting my cash right now, by the way. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're grinding. It's just interesting how you have to watch the ad for auto merge. And it's funny, though. It lasts three minutes, though. Which is actually not that bad. But auto merge doesn't open up your presents, it seems. Okay, let me just keep opening up my presents. Apparently, I've only grinded up 15 real-life dollars. Interesting. So the cash out doesn't seem to be too high, but will they ever let you get to $100? I doubt it. Judging from reviews, no, they will not, everyone. So don't hold your breath, okay? We're just going to keep grinding here. We're on 16.22 right now. Really spamming this out. Today's dividends, $177 apparently. What's that mean? What's that mean? Today's dividends, get. I can't get that. You do not have a lucky puppy. Alright. So does that mean today I would have unlocked $177? Okay, interesting. If only I had a lucky puppy, I could win $177 in real life. Sure thing, app. Sure thing. Let's go back to the shop quickly. Unlock for a video ad again. Ah, it's frustrating. It's very frustrating how they put up paywalls or ads. Alright, everyone, well, look, I mean, what would you do, as I said, in my situation? Like, would you just delete this app? I don't know. I don't know, man. Like, I can see if you're bored, this would be a pretty interesting app, but if you're trying to actually make money, I wouldn't say play this app. Don't play this app, guys. You're not going to win money on this, dude. Like, 100%, you're not going to win any money. Just letting you know right now. I 100% guarantee this is a scam. Judging from the reviews, it is definitely a scam. So, yeah, don't get it twisted, okay? Either way, thank you very much for watching, guys. Stay safe out there. Don't get scammed by these silly, silly apps. And I'll catch you on the next video, alright? Catch you around, everyone. That's Puppy Town. See you later.